All right, help me find where the dog should go. The dog is next to the doghouse. Point to next to. There he is. Where is the dog? Next to, next to. Where is the dog? He is next to the doghouse. The dog is beside the doghouse. Where should he go? There he is. Where is the dog? Beside, beside. Where is the dog? He's beside the doghouse. The dog is in front of the doghouse. Point to where he should go. He's in front of. Where is the dog? In front of, in front of. Where is the dog? He's in front of the doghouse. The dog is between the doghouses. Where should he go? There he is. Where is the dog? Between, between. Where is the dog? He's between the doghouses. The dog is to the right of the doghouse. Point to where he should go. There's the right. Where is the dog? To the right, the right. Where is the dog? To the right of the doghouse. The dog is to the left of the doghouse. Where should he go? There's the left. Where is the dog? To the left, the left. Where is the dog? To the left of the doghouse. The dog is below the doghouse. Point to where he should go. There's below. Where is the dog? Below, below. Where is the dog? He's below the doghouse. The dog is above the doghouse. Point to where he should be. There he is. Where is the dog? Above, above. Where is the dog? He's above the doghouse. Great job.